يا welcome.
حاجات مرتين.
هاي ما انت والله تسوي يا عشان الشارع عندي انت. هو هذا ما يا قرار. انا قرني. يا؟
اسمع على كيف نطلع.
هذا انا كل شيء يبقى في عنده. ما يبقى. انا انت روح عندنا بال. لا يا عم. عيد بكدقه. سلطانك واقع. You will have different nationalities. Come on. From all over Africa with the staffing of the new staffing of the headquarters. You'll have people from Ethiopia. You have Djibouti. You have Comoros. You have Nairobi, Kenya, and some other Djiboutians. And it depends. We have some Senegalese also. They are not present today. And this is a moment we enjoy when we're fasting. At this time, we break it. So after a while, eating a bit, then we have to pray for 5 minutes, and then again, we can go on, keep on eating. Yeah. So everybody, it's a really, and we are few days from few days from Eid al-Fitr. That's also another enjoyable day.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. سمع الله لمن حمده. ربنا لك الحمد ولك الشكر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر.